Here's the building. Time to unload it. Notice the scenery is quite different in this video, and that's because I took delivery of the building December 2024, and I didn't actually get to start erecting the building until November 2025 for a whole bunch of reasons, but that's what happened. And in this video you're going to hear me kind of describe the building and what it is and what it's going to be and all that, and throw out some dates that are absolutely meaningless that turned out to be one delay after another after another after another. But this was the day I received the building from Miracle Truss. It came in on a flatbed and came in as expected, on time, on budget, with no issues whatsoever. All the delays have been on my side. I don't know how much heavy equipment experience any of you have, but this is always nerve-wracking. And I'm videoing while I'm doing it, while there's a man standing there. Go up a little more. A little more. How much is too much? Whoa, how fast is too fast? Who knows? Nobody died, so I guess that's what counts. Nobody got hurt or maimed. The building is finally here. If I don't destroy it. Unloading it one truss at a time. Gonna have to wait a little while so I get the foundation ready, but we should have that ready shortly. Well, there it is. 40 feet wide, 115 feet long. It's enormous. It's not going to be all that bad. So this is 9, it's either 9 or 10, I can't remember, I have to look. 9 or 10 steel trusses that are going to do all the load bearing, support the roof and all that. And then the interior is just going to be basically partition walls to set up the bedrooms and stuff. So these are called portal braces. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side of the building, to give it shear so it doesn't do this. Then those are basically the side walls, and those span the roof. And then those right there are for the end walls. But I'll go over that in a video where we talk about the house plans and stuff like that. But for now, it's unloaded. It's stored. I've got to get some tarps because it's going to be a month or so before we can put it in. I still have to do the footwork for the foundations. I've had some delays between the tractor breaking down and hitting that deer, and you know, just really those two things, the tractor breaking down and hitting that deer. It's really delayed things, but the view doesn't seem to be delayed. It's always beautiful up here.